Hello and welcome to Soul Tarot by Nehal. This is going to be a reading for the period of February 2025 for the zodiac sign Pisces. Please remember, this is a general reading and it may or may not resonate with you. If it resonates, let me know in the comments down below. If not, skip this one. If you feel any of your loved ones could benefit from this readings, kindly share the channel with them as well. If you wish to know my other social media platforms and any other details, the links are down in the description below. Kindly do check them out. So thank you so much and let's begin. Okay, Pisces, one very interesting thing that comes up immediately is maybe it's going to be time where you may have to work on your shadow self in this duration. Uh, like it's something like, maybe you were pushing it and not really working towards it, or you were avoiding in some way, because it's not always a easy journey, but it's time for you to work on that side of you and embrace at the same time, learn to be okay of that side. Again, we all have a shadow side, and we all should rather focus on embracing it. So I would definitely say that that is one thing that you need to get onto. I think that's the only one message that's coming very strongly. So I think the February month is all about self for you. It's about going within you in this period. That is a one very strong message, or you can say one very clear thing that you will have to do. Like, either the situations will happen in such a way that you may have to go inward or something like that. So that is what I see in terms of that. And again, one thing I'll say is that even don't be judgmental about yourself or anyone else also in this duration, because maybe it will if you're being judgmental about someone else, it will show the some sort of a mirror to you also. So and which is, again, if you're ready to face it, it's great, but if not, then it's not going to be a pleasant experience, right? So don't be judgmental about yourself or anyone else as well. Let's dive deeper and see what are the other aspects of your life saying in this duration for you. So let's dive deeper and see other messages. Yes, this is extremely strong message over here. It's time to like, so if at all you were someone who wanted to heal certain things about yourself, you were looking for a path that someone could probably guide you, or something that you was not really having, like, it's like the pieces of puzzles are coming into place, and hence you will get an opportunity to figure out what is really working out for you. And uh, post that, of course, you may come across the right people who can help you to reach what you want to do. But yes, this month is all about, because if you see in terms of tarot, it's the Fool over here with 0 1 2. You are moving, like, it's going to be that some important decisions you may have to make in this time period, but you will be at the same time having all the information to make these decisions, the right decisions for yourself. This is definitely talking about your journey, and yes, it may feel that you're starting everything from zero itself, but again, all at least all this, most of the steps moving forward are revealed to you also. All you have to do is take the necessary help that comes your way, make your decisions, whereas you will be served the entire platter. All you have to do is make your choices and make wiser choices. yes, definitely time to release the kind of baggage that doesn't serve you anymore. The reason being is that you're now the journey moving forward, the kind of things that you want to achieve for yourself, these things are not going to serve you anymore. The lessons may help you to take better decisions, but the events, the trauma, or whatever you're carrying within yourself is not going to help you, and hence it's time for new beginnings and releasing all of that so that you can travel light and travel far as well. Definitely taking certain decisions, or you may have to juggle between two three things for now and then come up with certain decisions, but a lot of shift happening in this duration for you, and definitely a journey that will, again, even if it's a professional thing, you will have to sit with yourself and go within to figure out maybe that what are you really looking forward to in terms of your professional growth as well. Okay. Work wise, whatever stagnancy has been, there is going to be forward movement that's going to come your way. So yes, if at all anything was stuck in terms of work wise, you are having a forward movement, but that forward movement will come with the right kind of connections coming into your life. So yes, there are going to be new connections that are coming into your life work wise, which will help you take certain decisions and move forward into making those decisions, maybe there are times where you knew what decisions to take but you were not able to execute. So maybe this person who may come, or one or two connections, new connections that will come into your life, they will actually help you navigate and take the necessary decisions and move forward work wise. In terms of your finance, there was something that maybe you were working towards in, your financial goal, which again you may be feeling in the beginning, maybe of beginning of this month, you may not feel very satisfied with the final result, which again I would say you're jumping too quickly on the decisions, or getting into the energy of dissatisfaction, because it's just the beginning of the month. Your goal was towards achieving certain things that was towards the end of February, so wait for it. The reason being is, yes, initially it may not feel very smooth in the beginning of February, it may feel a little chaotic, it may feel a little up and down, a rocky road, but and you may feel tired and drained as well. But remember that there is better days coming. So by the mid of February you will start seeing that things are shifting. There are better things coming your way. There are definitely better, there is a new beginning when it comes to your finances. So again, in a positive way, that is coming in your life. So if you're tired, it's okay, take rest, but don't stop, because you're seeing good results by end of the month. So your financial stuff, whatever it is, you're finding stability in your finances towards the end of the month with something new also. So yes, there is going to be certain decisions again that you may have to make, but because they are going to be new things, so you may want to invest, not invest, whatever it is. It may not always be financial investment. It may be initially you may have to invest your energy, which will give eventually financial gains. So whatever it is, take rest and then take your decisions. Don't be in a hurry to make any decisions. And I see that you're taking decisions from a very grounded space as well. So you're very grounded, you're seeing through things, everything, and then confidently making your decisions, so which is a good thing. Okay, interesting. Okay, sorry, but yes, I always prefer my candle going on. So let me just light that up and then we can continue with the reading, which we have got stuck at is what's happening in February in terms of your love, romance, and relationship. So, in terms of a love, romance, and relationship, there is going to be, for singles, there is going to be someone who is going to come into your life out of nowhere, or maybe you already knew this person, but you weren't aware of their feelings towards you, and maybe that is what will get revealed to you. So, something very surprising is coming your way, especially if you're single. So, definitely someone who has always been maybe interested in you, but you didn't know about it, like, you were totally unaware, and now that person may end up expressing themselves to you. So that is what I see, and that may feel initially chaotic because maybe you never looked at that person from, any other perspective than maybe a colleague or a friend, whatever it may be, whatever relation you may be sharing. So hence it will be new to you, and you may feel a little chaotic, considering maybe if, let's say for example, if they are a friend, you will be like, oh, I don't want to spoil the friendship, and it may feel a little chaotic to come to any clarity there. But having said that, you if you wish to, of course, you can actually give that person a chance and know that person. It may initially feel a little tricky to deal with it, and you may feel a little burdensome to take the decision also, but yes, if you want to, you can, because yes, I see a new phase coming into your life. So if you're interested in, dating and all, it won't be bad to actually give this person a chance in and know that person from a very different perspective. So maybe at least you can spend time and know that person, is what I would say. Coming to people who are already committed, which is either you're dating, engaged, or married. uh, yes, if at all you guys want to move into the next phase of your life, of your relationship more so, yes, you will get those opportunities that, things may fall a little in place, but you will also have to be proactive with all this. Yes, chances are that if you're looking forward to it, it may happen, but it will come with a little bit of chaos, because then there'll be too many things to handle for this month. So that may lead to a little bit of feeling that there is too much burden to deal with, there are too many things to deal with, that kind of a thing. But again, if you manage to navigate through all this a little smoothly, which yes you can, if you just make right choices, make sure that you're involving your partner equally and making the decisions, you will be able to navigate this freely. But you need to share your burdens with the person, be open to your partner, and let them know whatever it is. So if that is how you take the approach, it is going to be easy for you to navigate this whole situation. At the same time, by the end of the month, move into the next phase of your relationship as well. So yes, some interesting connections coming your way. Stagnancy, if there was any, is getting momentum now. Again, you're building something that is very precious to you, so you will be protective also. There are certain decisions also that you will be making in this duration. But all in all, one thing again I will repeat: yes, if at all you are looking romantically also for someone, it is a beautiful period to do that. You will come across some interesting connections, even romantically right now. So yes, that is definitely. But yeah, whichever area you wanted some momentum, it's going to come. Something tells me that a new journey is altogether beginning for you in the month of February. A new start is coming. Oh my god, I was just going on speaking and I just didn't see this. If you will see in the video, I'm actually covering it. I didn't know what was this, and here it says a new start is coming simultaneously. So definitely yes, like I said, a new journey, and here it says new start is coming. Couple of times I mentioned that in the reading as well. So definitely a confirmation here. Acceptance. I am learning to accept the things I cannot change. So yes, you the things that you cannot change, accept it. The things that you can change, and do the necessary stuff accordingly, and move forward with your life and your journey as well. Freedom. Follow your heart and nurture your soul with love and freedom to grow. Again, yes, this could even, again, new journey is beginning, new start is coming, so that can even lead to freedom that you have been looking forward to, and growth also that you have been looking forward to. So make sure you're doing the right thing for yourself. Again, follow your heart and nurture your soul. Again, working on your own self, this is where you start doing these things for yourself. Boundaries. Put a ring around yourself and your energy. So yes, make sure you're setting your boundaries also. Again, working on your shadow self is what I said. A lot of people need to work on their shadow self, is because of lack of boundaries. So if you know that that is one of the thing that you need to do it. It's time for new beginnings in every way. It's so hence you should do whatever need be now. Energetically, if you feel someone is draining you or anything, just set boundaries wherever you feel is necessary. I am strong enough to make my own decisions. So yes, don't let anyone overpower you when you're making your decisions. Make it for yourself, for whatever you want, according to that. I'm inspiring people through my work. So, it could be possible that you're not realizing it, but there are a lot of people who are actually getting inspired by you and your work. So, remember that. And if this is something that, you want to do also, like one of your goal could be to inspire people through your work, keep using these affirmations to get into that mindset. That will help you make such decisions, by default also. These affirmations are really helpful if you use them wisely. There is a voice within us all that doesn't use words to speak. All it needs is for us to listen with our heart. Today I shall let go of struggle and surrender to inner peace. I will fill my body with stillness and deep breaths. Maybe deep breaths and meditation would help you to navigate this phase of your life, but at the same time, again, listen to the voice within. I said in the very beginning also that it's about going inwards. So this is giving kind of a confirmation only. If you again go back to the beginning of the reading and you'll hear it, this is going to resonate for sure. So it's just reassurance from the universe. It's too many. Time to take it's time to take time for yourself. Figure out certain things. Wherever rest is needed, take rest. Wherever actions is needed, take actions. Again, you're going to be surrounded by growth, so make sure you're doing the necessary instead of always being in one space only. So again, keep moving, stay in a flow state as well. Don't stop no matter what. Like I said, rest earlier also. I've said rest when needed, and then start moving again. Don't give up no matter what. And if there is any kind of laid back energy that's coming within you to do such things, just try to move your body and keep moving forward. Even a little step is going to be very, very helpful to you. Sometimes miracles come to you in the form of good people with good hearts. I have said that you are going to attract certain people, certain good connections, certain interesting connections which could be of help to you. So I think this is again reassurance coming from the universe, reconfirming. Do what you have to do, sorry, do what you have to do to be happy. So again, I have said it several times, do what you have to do for yourself. So again, the same thing, reassurance, reconfirmation of the same message. My voice matters. Yes, your voice matters. So I have again said, wherever boundaries are needed, said that voice yourself, say what is needed, stand up for yourself wherever necessary. Like, there is going to be an inner shift happening for you, so that will involve a lot of different things, and these affirmations could really really be of great help to you. And again, for setting boundaries, sometimes you may have to voice yourself firmly also and assertively. Let's check what is an empowering message that you have, universe has to give you. This is a new thing that I've added to the reading, that we'll see one empowering message that the universe wants to give you for the month. So it's right now February 2025. Let's see what is one empowering message for you, Pisces. Hope. Better days are ahead. Amazing, right? Don't give up. This card is a sign that your wishes and prayers have been heard. You have not been forgotten or abandoned. Things will get better. Again, I have mentioned new things are happening, better days are coming, new journey is beginning for you. And this gives a confirmation that better days are also coming. So this new journey is bringing better days also. So don't lose your hope no matter what. In the near future, better days are coming in the near future. It's just giving you again a confirmation for you. I think this is summing up the final confirmation also for you, that in the near future you will see amazing positive shifts into your life, and you'll achieve whatever you have been maybe looking forward to achieve in February 2025. So I hope it did resonate with you. If you have anything to share, if you have any suggestions, comment down below. And yes, if you've stayed up until now, thank you so much, and see you in the next reading. Bye bye.